Hey there, in today's video I am going to show you how to transfer your domain from Namecheap to Hostinger in just a few simple steps. This is great if you are looking to manage everything in one place. Let's dive in. First of all, log into your Namecheap account. Or create an account if you haven't already. Enter your username, password, first name, last name, and your email address. Sorry. Password. Then create account and continue. Once you are logged in, head to the domain list. On the left side of your dashboard, select the domain you want to transfer. Now click on Manage next to the domain you want to transfer. From here, we need to unlock the domain and get the EPP code which is required for the transfer. Under the Sharing and Transfer tab, toggle off domain lock to unlock the domain. Once the domain is unlocked, scroll down and click on Get EPP code. Under the Transfer section, the EPP code is like a password that verifies you own the domain. You will receive it in your email. Now go to hostinger.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, create it first. Once logged in, navigate to the domain section and click on transfers. Hostinger will ask for the EPP code. We got earlier. Paste the EPP code and continue. Hostinger will verify the code and your domain. Once it's verified, you will be prompted to pay the domain transfer fee, which usually includes an extra year of registrations. After completing the payment, the transfer will start. It can take up to 5 days to complete, but you will be notified via email once everything is done. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.